High School. So we have had some students asking how they can find their online timetable. So today Mr. Acker is going to also take us through how to find that.
Sure, let's get right into it.
To gain access to your Sentral student portal, what you need to do is open up an internet browser such as Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or Firefox even, and type in the following link: www.basi.sentral.com.au/portal. Now, it's very important that you add /portal. If you don't, you'll end up at a website like this. Now, this is the website that you should be logging on to because this is for staff members only. It is important, again, to add /portal at the end. So the website that you should be logging on to, it looks like this. Now, the username and password is the username and password that you use to log on to computers at school or even to your student portal. Once you have entered those in, you just press sign in and you should be able to see the new bell times for this term. Have a look at what times have changed for what periods, because it's very important when it comes down to your online lessons. On the right hand side, you would see a quick today's timetable, and on the left hand side, to see all your timetable, you just click on my timetable and you would see week A and week B full timetable right there. Now, I just want to point out two things: that you have two types of lessons. You have a study lesson and then you have the online lessons as well. The online lessons is when you'll be logging on to Zoom and doing your Zoom online lessons with your teachers. The study times is when you should be doing your self online study lessons.